Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from PSPCL, Punjab State Power Corporation Limited, on the basis of GET 2024 scorecard. Yes, when you will go to the official website of pspcl.in. Dear students, as I'm showing you here the website, and from here you can download the PDF. So when you will go here, you can see recruitment for the post of AE OT, electrical and mechanical discipline in PSPCL against this one, and on the basis of GET 2024. When you will click here, this will be open. So let's check it out. So when I'm coming to the detailed advertisement, recruitment for the post of assistant engineer OT electrical in the discipline of mechanical engineering in PSPCL. Start date of online registration, it will start from the tomorrow means 19 July 2024. Today is 18 July. Last date of online registration will be 8th August, and last date of deposit for fees will be 12th August. Okay, let's check it out more details here. So now when you are going to here, so first of all you can see pay scale. Pay scale will be as per the Punjab government letters. Okay, so it will be, I think, as per the 7th CPC, pay matrix will be 47,600 per month after the appointment or joining. Okay G. Now during the probation period mentioned in the offer of appointment or extended probation period, whichever is more, newly appointed candidates shall be paid minimum admissible pay. Okay, so this is also that in duration of probation also you will get the minimum pay. Now here okay, so when I'm coming to this one, looking for young and dynamic candidates with brilliant academic records for the post of assistant engineer. Let's check it out, the details here. So total number of vacancies when we are going to this one. So total number of vacancies for the post of assistant engineer OT here will be 40, I think. Yeah, it's already mentioned here in the discipline of mechanical engineering are 40. So here the category wise division is mentioned here. When I'm coming to this one here, in the general category, number of vacancies one only. In the SC, okay, this one 141 you can see here. BC, okay, XM, and here you can see category wise division. So overall number of vacancies are 40 here, 40 dear students. Okay, now when I'm coming to the next thing here, the category mentioned here, the okay, so the vacancy shown reserved for the woman candidates in the above table A shall be filled as per the Punjab Civil Services rules. Okay, okay, now here when I'm coming to the next one, eligibility criteria. This is very important. What is this GET 2024? So PSPCL has finalized the minimum qualifying marks out of 100 for GET 2024 recruitment. Applicants must ensure that they possess the minimum qualifying marks in GET 2024. So it means if you are qualified in GET 2024, then also you are eligible for applying here. Okay, for the mechanical engineering as given below for the respective categories. So they just mention here the marks also. What is this? The cutoff for the general, if you are having 28.60 marks, then also you are eligible. Category wise minimum qualifying marks is mentioned here. For EWS, ex serviceman, BC, sports, freedom fighter, this is 25.70. For SC/ST, PWD, the cutoff mark should be 90. So if you are having these marks according to your category, you can apply here for this post. Okay, the next is the essential qualification. So surely candidate should have BE BTech degree. So for the post of assistant engineer OT in electrical, full-time BE BTech or BSc engineering, mechanical engineering, we required with a minimum of 55% marks. Okay, or equivalent degree in this one. And here, what is the qualification of Punjabi? The candidate must have passed Punjabi of at least matriculation or its equivalent level. So this is also, you need to be just careful before applying. This qualification is also essential. Okay, so means Punjabi should be there as an matriculation or its equivalent. Okay, the above qualifications are essential qualification. And this one, okay, age limit. Now let's check it out. The age limit is should not be below 18 years and above 37 years. So this will be the age relaxation up to the 1st January 2024. Yeah, age relaxation according to the government rule. You can check it out here. I think the measure I already covered here. Though only those who candidates fulfill the criteria, qualification and age are other requirements as mentioned in this one are eligible to apply. Okay, for against this recruitment, otherwise they will cancel your recruitment also. Okay G, yes, online application fees. So here For all categories except SC person with disability, you need to pay rupees 2000. Okay, plus GST. So this will be 2360 rupees. Okay, plus bank charges also there. For SC category or person with disability will be here 1652 rupees. Okay, G. This is, I think, online mode only. Pays fees will be accepted by online mode only. No other mode of depositing fees is acceptable. Okay, and then reservation here, so you can see the category wise reservation is mentioned here. Please check the details before applying or before filling this form. I think I cover majorly all the details here, and this is a very long PDF of 18 pages. Here all the things are mentioned. You can just check it out, which certificates you need to show. Okay, what is the requirement, how to apply, selection process. Now I'm just coming to the last thing, which is the selection process. So candidates who fulfill the criteria with respect to GATE 2024 qualification, age and etc., then are eligible to apply for this one. First of all the candidates are informed that only GATE 2024 marks will be valid for this one. No previous marks they are accepting. Okay, now then they will shortlist you and they will call you for the document checking as per the merit list according to the number of vacancies. Candidate must produce, that time you need to show your GATE 2024 scorecard also. Okay, other thing to how to do the document checking here, and this is the website. Please dear students, write down this one. This is the website. For more details you can just directly go to this one, www.pspcl.in. okay, which I show you in the beginning. So before applying you need to check whether you are eligible or not. Please read each and every condition and then go for it, dear students. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Just subscribe the YouTube channel. If still you not subscribed, you can join our I Must Gate Academy Telegram group. And if you are preparing for GATE 2025 or 2026, you can join our live online program also. For more details, you can directly book a free counseling session with our student advisory team. Stay connected, dear students. Thank you.